What if I could show you a way to have over $500,000 by just doing one simple thing? Could you do it? Would you do it? Come along, because this could change your financial future. Welcome to the Ohhh Money Channel, where we take the mystery out of money. If finance gives you the willies, you're in the right place. I'm not here to make you love money. I'm here to make it work for you. If I did it, so can you. Let's get smarter about money and get it working. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. And remember, nobody cares more about your money than you. So,
learn before you earn.
Last week I showed you the rule of 72, how your money can double over time. I showed you an example that if you started at 25 years old, your money could double every 6 years, and you could have a pile of money at retirement. Oh, and by the way, if you haven't watched that video, I put a link in the description for you. And when I first learned that rule, two things happened to me. First, I got super fired up. Second, I realized I need money to invest. So what did I do? I went on a mission to find money I didn't even know I had. Here's the truth most people get wrong. You don't need a lot of money to start and become wealthy. In fact, you just need $19.23 per week. That's it. That equals $1,000 per year. Not $500 a week, not $1,000 a month. Just $19.23, and that small amount can literally change your financial future. So where do you find it? What, is it hiding under your couch cushion? Maybe, but let's get real. Because if money was that easy to find, we'd all be flipping couch cushions like it's a full-time job. And let's be honest, the only thing most people have in their couch cushions is old fries and maybe a remote that hasn't worked since 2012. When I started this journey, I had to get creative. Here's what I did. I stopped buying lottery tickets because I wasn't winning anyways. I sold some stuff I wasn't even using, and honestly, that turned into a garage sale. I picked up some side hustles. I did some video editing and some house painting. And let me tell you, people will hire you, even me. At one point in my 40s, I even started teaching class. Why? Because I had a financial goal. Let me ask you something, and I want you to really think about it. Would you be happier if someone just handed you $1 million? Or if you had to earn it and build it yourself? Because here's the truth. Most lottery winners go broke. Why? Because they never learn how money works. This channel is about teaching you how to make money, how to save money, how to grow money, and yes, even how to enjoy money. Not love it, just respect it. Money is like becoming a great basketball player. You don't just wake up and dunk. You have to practice. You have to stay disciplined. And finally, you'll get better over time, and hopefully, you'll have some fun along the way. Now let's get practical. The average American eats out 4.2 times per week. I was thinking about the 0.2. Is that because they're so broke they can't afford it? A partial meal? All you have to do is just cut one, and that's probably $20 right there. When it comes to subscriptions, have you ever looked at your credit card statement and went, what even is this? This $1.99, $4.90 here, $3.99. Just cut a couple of those. Oh, here's another one I'm guilty of. Late night Amazon deals or Target runs where you black out and the next thing you know you wake up at the checkout. All that stuff adds up. I'm not saying don't do it, I'm just saying be aware of it. Maybe cut some of it out. Credit card. That's the silent killer. This is the one that you thought you were getting ahead? No. Pay it off and you'll free up some serious money. There's a lot of ways to find money to invest. In fact, I'm starting a new weekly series called Money Leaks. This series is designed to help you uncover where your money is slipping away,
We will even show you how to plug those money leaks so you can start putting that money to work. We will share simple strategies that work, help you find that lost money and get it working. So check out this new series that is coming soon, Money Leaks. And oh, by the way, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel.
If I paid you $533,336 over the next 5 years to find $20 a week, would you do it? That's over $100,000 a year I'm paying you for something this simple. Could you do it? I have complete confidence that you can. You can find $19.23 a week. The question is, will you? Because with time comes opportunity. And what you do with that time can change everything about your life.
Hey, here's a news flash. Nobody cares more about your money than you do. So many people say, I wish they would have taught me that in school. But it's not too late. I'm here to help. I hope you got a few things out of this episode. And remember, let's get smarter about money and get it working. Hey, see you next time.